said the way I let you.
I'm not my brain to me, sorry.
Good morning, Dad.
Boakyewaa, that's the way we move now.
I feel I'm not sure it's
Be a catch them. None of them, what? Maybe I will be a certain catch them. Maybe I no, it's time.
I'm so ashamed.
Mama, I made the pass on the Mokasa. Let's see how my baby, Amoah mission here. And the mistress said, when you come here, Mamma, send me be any on between me and catch it. Maybe my baby, quite man on me, but only maybe sent to Mr. Wa. Why leave, Mamma? Why leave?
You're not going to know Macassa. Why? No, Macassa.
That's okay, never corner. I don't know.
Yes, I will see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a nice day, Dad.
Thank you.
Boakyewaa, no, you'll be a catch them.
So many lies, get it. Oh, baby, me,
Boakyewaa, is it a man yet you? Yo, that's my sister, man. Boakyewaa.
Okay, I do. Yes,
Why? What's wrong with you?
Miss Obia, be behind me, Anna.
I'm trying to invite you to my snap, but it seems like you're not here.
She. Okay, so I only be a can. I need to want me come into so you're not people be fine. I don't know disturbing me, sir.
No, but sister, are you okay?
No, I'm fine.
You weren't like this. Why from this behavior? I'm just trying to be friendly here. What's wrong?
Nothing. Just forget about it. I'll leave first, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, I don't know if it's because of that. Boakyewaa. Ina you back home to no Omo Romu in Asano. Boakyewaa. Boakyewaa. Hey, come on. Nadai. Hey, for what you could say. Program na America na so me ya. Nse be bia me no show TV, nse na wo ya dai. Share betra bra. Betra ka me bi chire bi. Any how watch it. Boakyewaa. Nancy so ben bi Boakyewaa den din. Me grandma bi Boakyewaa. Odi ho. Chese hwe. Dan yetiwa menini mienu mekade na mentienu ese Boakyewaa to was serase wo momoi ti menim se bibi kwa no hwe phone ti na mi me hwa no so wo san sere san na fide na dan na reho bi ase wo dwendwene na me sori hwe ni phone so na ne phone no kura ensi so na nye sada no so nkono mo hunu mpire no so no gama Boakyewaa bibi Boakyewaa gama comment here my sister Boakyewaa na same ti o de wakamat na da wakanche na mnim se bia obeka ache me nti ana me so me twentwen so bibi Boakyewaa wakamat ni be kasa me busa ade cropot se de hano obeka ache ti so to so no what esa kwa kache me da
Be a here, young farmer. Majidis wouldn't say a pawasa pa. If you move from more, I don't have it to some baby. Be a here, I'm your mom. Then I'll be how I want to make.
But you are me.
You are sure.
Very sure.
Grandmother say we some changes be well, super mokakra. Obisawa, or see be okay. And then a house, you me okay. I don't.
I'm okay. I mean, I'm fine. We need me to tell Grandma how long baby is out that. But we send so many times. My question is saying,
you are sure.
Yes, Dad.
Well, so I feel say be okay, dear. Then make sure say my man in your worried because why very worried. My man who say be how. So na be how so ayaka. So that's it.
Okay.
All right.
So that I'll be here.
All right.
So many lies, yeah, dream. Ube kumio, kumia. Missy, it's cleft on the beat, go. All the times that I've loved and been with you, girl, been with you, girl, been with you. There's no doubt you've been playing me for a fool. Oh no, near my baby, other kind.
My friend. Oi. You gotta be a man. Nada na vai essa.
Emadek Multimedia.
What day? So, mamma, and me, one of them, will be beyond. Mr. Baby, how I catch them what?
Come. I can't so open baby, say me okay.
Set me no one to fear. When you said it was city. What's the son? It was so to catch up on to show me. Me and I catch them. To the old beer. Catch them what?
Come on, me no to fear. One him say me near down for baby. I'm gonna come as natural. Me, anyone I'm giving me peep here. And she say baby, come here. I didn't know your car once. I can run me over to your own feet.
There's no more papaya bassa. Mr. When you said it was city, you must say.
Come on, baby.
She said, "Baby,
be okay."
Gidi.
Be okay. Be a me cancel. Why?
That was seen a man of phone. Say, and none what don't so Amoah, every shame. It's so the kind shame with you. When you hear because of one way, that was so what was that. Man, I'm so hungry.
You are. I don't know your shoes.
Yes, Dad, I'm eating.
And you could not system. You can't share some madam for an American. You can't share.
Willie. So can be so more than for Naba, nothing the end of the door.
I'll be in a sense. Only a so much member to came with a bank.
Sir,
you're moving to me. Why?
Emadek Multimedia.
Ejewa, ufrin. And you be so asem no.
That I
You
went to visit a friend.
went to visit a friend. Man can't just say your appointment. Eh?
I forgot.
What? You know how important this appointment is to me.
I'm sorry, Dad. I forgot.
You're sorry. Why? I can't cook cram in me who says anything. What is that?
Will you give me the desire?
Man, Nipa Makachen is a year called baby. Be a crown country me. Eh?
I still will never tell because maybe I say to be a long woman. Look at someone now. Now, but the customer will be a fairy mo. Now, but some up alarm.
Only the Becca sound and Cassa. This year the arguments him. Nipa me new baby, you crown cramming. What is that?
Now, but tell now, Grandma, when you're going to
talk to them.
When you're going to boys at the room, now, but say,
Boakyewaa. Now, go.
I'm watching Madame for not take quite so on.
Now, go cry.
now, call Papa and to me, I'm sure to be crying. Oh, I guess I've been watching.
Boakyewaa. Hey, what is wrong with you? What are you thinking about?
What do you mean?
Well, I wanted to talk to you about something.
Go ahead.
I think your behavior nowadays is kind of changing, and it's something we really need to address. Because of you, everyone is worried in this. I don't think it's fair. Why? What's wrong? You know that you can confide in me. I can keep secrets. What's wrong?
Okay. What are you insinuating?
I'm not actually insinuating anything. I just want to know what is wrong with my elder sister.
So now, can't I even have peace in my own house? Grandma, Boakyewaa, Daddy, Boakyewaa, and even my younger sister.
I'm just concerned. At least can we be cheering you said this is what is wrong, and we'll see how we can help.
Whatever being the case, don't forget that you're still my younger sister.
Yeah, sure, you're still my senior sister. That means I can't be concerned, or?
You should be concerned, but at least please leave me alone, okay? Just leave me alone. What is it?
Okay,
you should just
if you say so.
mind your own business. Just leave me alone.
Come on, we are family. How can you tell me to mind my own business?
Like I said, don't forget I'm still your senior sister.
Okay.
So many lies, yeah,
Mama Sadakwa. Oh, no credit. Well, I'm very sorry. Mr. Rawa Fachemi. I've been CBU. Oh, Mr. Bibina, a bebomu, and intina amayan to me a man. Mr. Row, I've been CBU. A Boakyewaa. All right. Let us. Ma. Yeah, there was some people who can't watch the mama minking. That now, if I hear come message that quiet, when a man said that for me, why won't you send a minute? Papa book for me, I may end there.
It went to the customer baby. Went to our customer baby beside.
My am so want to myself.
It was say, Willie, me, Mena me wo. I didn't want to them make us. A group of woman peded where I am by what a colonel be jay. They be answer what's here, and the machine. What is the woman there in the machine?
Ma wouldn't send him a payment, may asem. One was a metantia, Pokiasa. So, this is my assessor, and to a jay, Miss Majay.
Obey jay, I am by box, and your customer will be necessary. I am by what a colonel be jay. It is so can be brave.
The Subana ordered it, and then mamma, yes, sir. What am I? The mamma is so actually.
Yeah, also my customer. As I was here, and I said, I didn't see him in person.
Oh, my prefer I want to announce
So many lies, get it.